The job description of a plumber encompasses the installation, maintenance, and repair of water systems, piping, fixtures, and associated appliances within residential, commercial, and industrial settings. Plumbers are skilled tradespeople who ensure that water and waste systems operate efficiently and safely. Whether working on a small household repair or managing the plumbing system for a large-scale construction project, plumbers play a crucial role in modern infrastructure. They ensure that people have access to clean water, functional drainage systems, and heating solutions, which are all essential to hygiene, health, and comfort. Plumbers work in various environments, including homes, offices, factories, schools, hospitals, and construction sites. Their tasks can range from fixing leaking pipes and installing water heaters to inspecting sewage systems and reading blueprints for complex piping layouts. The profession requires a blend of manual dexterity, technical knowledge, and adherence to safety and regulatory standards. Because their work often intersects with that of electricians, carpenters, and construction managers, plumbers also need to be effective collaborators. While the typical path to becoming a plumber includes vocational training or apprenticeship, many experienced plumbers pursue additional certifications or licenses that allow them to handle specialized systems, such as gas lines or medical plumbing. Regardless of the specialization, the job is labor-intensive and requires physical stamina, problem-solving abilities, and precision. Core responsibilities of a plumber. A plumber's responsibilities vary depending on the scope of the project, but their primary function is to ensure the safe and effective movement of water, gas, and waste. One of their main duties is the installation of plumbing systems in new buildings. This involves reading and interpreting blueprints, determining pipe layouts, and installing pipes, valves, drainage systems, and fixtures according to building codes and specifications. During renovations or remodeling projects, plumbers often replace outdated systems or reconfigure piping to match updated designs. Plumbers also play a significant role in maintenance and repairs. They respond to service calls for issues like clogged drains, dripping faucets, burst pipes, or malfunctioning water heaters. Diagnosing these problems accurately requires both experience and tools, such as inspection cameras, pressure gauges, and pipe cutters. Once the issue is identified, the plumber implements the appropriate fix, which may include replacing parts, resealing joints, or clearing blockages. Another key aspect of the plumber's job is conducting regular inspections and preventive maintenance. In commercial buildings or industrial plants, plumbing systems must meet strict compliance and safety standards. Plumbers inspect for signs of wear, corrosion, or leaks, and suggest upgrades or modifications to prevent costly breakdowns. Gas plumbing is a specialized domain that falls under some plumbers' responsibilities. Handling natural gas lines or appliances like stoves, boilers, or heating units requires additional certification. In these cases, plumbers must follow rigorous safety protocols to prevent gas leaks or explosions. In all situations, communication with clients is essential. Plumbers must explain problems, present solutions, and provide cost estimates transparently. Good customer service builds trust and helps ensure long-term client relationships. Technical skills and professional knowledge required. Success in plumbing requires more than just physical ability. The job demands technical competence, mechanical aptitude, and familiarity with local plumbing codes and standards. A plumber must know how to interpret blueprints and technical drawings to locate existing systems or plan new installations. They must understand the properties of water flow, pressure, and temperature regulation to create effective solutions. An in-depth knowledge of materials is also critical. Plumbers work with a variety of pipes and fittings: PVC, copper, galvanized steel, PX, and others, each with its own applications and methods of connection. Knowing when and how to use each material helps ensure system durability and performance. Plumbers often use a wide array of tools, both hand and power operated. These include pipe cutters, threaders, soldering equipment, augers, hydrojetting machines, and diagnostic devices. Mastery of these tools not only improves efficiency, but also helps maintain high safety standards. Given the nature of their work, plumbers must also be well versed in safety regulations. They need to take precautions to avoid accidents, such as burns, slips, or exposure to harmful substances. This includes wearing protective gear, following lockout, tagout procedures, and keeping workspaces clean and organized. Critical thinking is another valuable skill. No two jobs are exactly alike, and plumbers often need to troubleshoot unique problems. Whether it's rerouting pipes in a space-constrained environment or identifying a hidden leak inside a wall, creative problem-solving is a daily necessity. Work environment and job conditions. The work environment for plumbers can be physically demanding and varies widely depending on the job type. In residential settings, plumbers often work indoors in bathrooms, kitchens, or basements, sometimes in cramped or awkward positions. In contrast, commercial or construction projects may require them to work outdoors or in unfinished buildings, exposed to the elements. A plumber's schedule can also be unpredictable. While many work standard business hours, emergency situations such as burst pipes or gas leaks may require evening, weekend, or holiday shifts. Some plumbers are on call, especially if they work for maintenance departments or service companies. Physical stamina is important, as the job involves lifting heavy materials, crawling into tight spaces, and standing or bending for extended periods. Precision and patience are also necessary, especially when tasks require soldering joints, threading pipes, or installing delicate fixtures. In larger organizations or municipalities, plumbers may work as part of a team that includes apprentices, helpers, and inspectors. In such cases, experienced plumbers may supervise others, delegate tasks, or ensure compliance with project timelines and safety standards. As we examine the heart of this profession, it becomes clear that the job description of a plumber is not limited to fixing leaks. It includes a broader commitment to public health, infrastructure efficiency, and sustainable water usage, an often underappreciated but essential service in any functioning society. Training, licensing, and advancement. Becoming a plumber typically begins with a high school diploma or equivalent, followed by entry into a vocational training program or apprenticeship. Apprenticeships usually last 4 to 5 years and combine classroom instruction with hands-on training under the supervision of experienced professionals. Apprentices learn everything from safety practices and blueprint reading to installation techniques and local codes. Upon completing an apprenticeship, individuals may be required to pass a licensing exam depending on their jurisdiction. Licensing ensures that the plumber meets certain standards of competency and safety awareness. Many regions offer multiple levels of certification, including journeyman and master plumber status, which reflect a plumber's experience and capabilities. Continued education is important in this field, especially as new technologies and environmental standards emerge. For example, knowledge of energy-efficient appliances, greywater systems, or smart plumbing technology can enhance a plumber's marketability and broaden job opportunities. Plumbers can advance their careers by becoming supervisors, inspectors, contractors, or even opening their own plumbing businesses. Those with entrepreneurial goals often study business management, accounting, and customer service to succeed in running a service company. Conclusion. The job description of a plumber reflects a vital trade that impacts every facet of daily life, from clean drinking water to safe waste disposal and reliable heating systems. While it is a physically demanding and technically challenging role, it also offers immense satisfaction and career stability for those who master the craft. Plumbers are more than just technicians. They are problem solvers, protectors of health standards, and key players in both new construction and emergency repairs. With a strong foundation in technical knowledge, attention to safety, and good communication skills, plumbers can build rewarding careers that are essential to modern living. Whether working independently or as part of a larger team, their contribution remains indispensable in keeping homes and businesses functioning smoothly.